Hi there, this is Lisa Stam from SpringLaw. I hope you're doing well and hanging in there in these wild and unprecedented times. I want to do this quick video for entrepreneurs and small business owners to share with you a new offering that SpringLaw has launched today. We know that like all businesses out there, the small businesses and entrepreneurs are particularly struggling in this COVID-19 era business disruption. We hear stories of employers all the time laying awake at night trying to figure out what to do with their employees. Can I lay off? Do I have to terminate? How do I terminate? What's the difference? Do I have the stomach to do any of this in the first place? It's been a pretty busy couple of weeks for all employment lawyers, but hearing all these really tough stories. So I wanted to tell you about this new self-serve toolkit that we have just launched today to help small employers and entrepreneurs. We're calling it Pivot DIY because you have to pivot. We all know that we all have to pivot in this unprecedented business environment. And so we've put together a bunch of the tools that we are hearing employers need the most right now. And a lot of it is around what to do with your people and how to deal with the people costs that everyone is incurring. So come to our website at springlaw.ca and you can purchase and access the self-serve toolkit when it works for you, when you are digging in and trying to figure out how you're going to pivot. So the self-serve kit, let me tell you what's in it. We've got a bunch of templates that we've gathered together. So termination letters, releases, layoff notices, a recall notice, because we're really hoping that at some point all of this starts to recover from all of this. Some guides on how to pivot your business in COVID with summaries of Canadian government relief programs. Several guides on termination and layoffs themselves, how to conduct them, what to say in them, a script to help you out, checklists for employers, and then a checklist for you to give to employees because they're on their own journey of needing to pivot as well. So we've put together a checklist for you to give to your employees, and then just overall strategy. So we've tried to put all of these things together as one big DIY kit for small employers and small business employers and entrepreneurs who already have that skill set to run a business and sort through all these issues and can really dig in and figure this out. So again, come to our website at springlaw.ca. You can just purchase it directly from there and access the materials right away and dig in. Our big picture goal here was really to try and empower small businesses and entrepreneurs to take back the direction of their own business with the tools that they might need. We are keeping the cost deliberately low for the month of April because we know people have to pivot ASAP, and we know that so many small businesses are having such a cash crunch right now. So we hope these materials are useful to you. And that your pivot is successful. It's good for all of us if small businesses survive and thrive. Thank you for listening. Most importantly, of course, please stay well, stay healthy, and let's all keep working together.